So earlier we have seen the first approach or one of the approach in which we were minimizing the cost or minimizing the tool cost. So now, and minimizing the tool cost means we are minimizing the cost directly of machining, because once we have made the capital cost investment directly, the only cost will be the machining cost. So machining cost will include the tool cost. Now the second approach is to have maximum productivity or max production. Productivity means production itself. So we have the expression for R, that is the total cost, which included R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. And the total time we know T is setup and ideal time cost, machining cost, and tool changing cost while regrinding it or tool changing the tool. And since we have maximum production, we want to have maximum production, the feed must be maximum. That's the only rule. If we want to maximize the production, we are not taking other things into account. So maximum feed formula is directly given by this 8 square root of 8 r H max. So H max is what we are going to handle, and we directly have the formula or value of F max, or the feed at which we should be having maximum production. That is the maximum feed which we can have. So I have already explained that earlier also. So this was the maximum feed we had, the limit. That was because of the surface roughness coming into picture. So from the feed, I have already get the F optimum. To get the V optimum, I use that Taylor's tool life equation, or I can differentiate the R with respect to velocity and get that optimum velocity by equating del R by del V is equal to 0. So this is the formula. The only change in this formula is all the things are remaining constant. The numerator had lambda 1 over here, and the denominator had a factor of lambda 1 lambda 1 plus some lambda 4 into TCT. Yes, lambda 1 TCT plus lambda 4. But the lambda 4 has not come into picture over here, and the lambda 1 in the numerator and denominator have got cancelled. So we have only TCT over here, and V optimum is so N is associated with V velocity. So N is over here in the formula. So all the things remain same. Only this factor has changed. The lambda 1 has disappeared from the numerator. So we have got the value of F optimum and V optimum directly. So in the next video, we'll start with a numerical question on the approach to get the maximum production and the parameter values of feed rate and velocity. So we'll end over here. Thank you.